To create this spooky piece of Halloween decor, you will need skeleton garland, a wooden rectangle sign, black acrylic paint, mini foam pumpkins, a foam brush, and a glue gun. Start by painting your sign black. Take your skeleton garland apart, remove the heads, and paint each skeleton black. Draw a spooky face on each pumpkin with a black Sharpie. Glue each skeleton to the top of the sign. Glue the pumpkins to each skeleton in different poses. Display in your holiday setup, and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.